Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. It is for us to ensure that the ending of the Cold War does not mean domination of any one power center. Stop. Precisely on this point, we have had several speeches now. Stop. It will be India's endeavor to see that the end of the Cold War or the emergence of only one power bloc or superpower does not mean the subjugation of all other countries who on some issue or the other do not see eye to eye with that superpower. Stop. I have no doubt in my mind that India will have to play that role. Stop. It need not be confrontation. Stop. There is no need for confrontation. Stop. Even in a democratized United Nations, for instance, for which we are making all efforts, there is possibility, there is likelihood of a difference of opinion, and if that democratization continues on the right lines, India will have a role to play. Stop. There is no question of the role of India and similar countries coming to an end. Stop. Therefore, what we are looking for is a democratized functioning of the world. Looking for is a democratized functioning of the world community wherein the decision is not on the basis of armaments, on the basis of money power, on the basis of other considerations, but on the basis of justice and fair play, and that should be our endeavor. Stop. So it is the same struggle in a different context with different tools, perhaps. Stop. Therefore, I do not think that the role of India, which we have not cherished so far, will ever end, and I am absolutely certain that we will continue this stanza. We have also said it is for us to ensure that the emergence of new economic powers such as Germany and Japan works for the betterment of the poor and not only for the enrichment of the rich. Stop. This is what my visit to Germany is all about. Stop. We have found that it is not a unipolar world in all respects. Stop. Yes, in the military sense it is unipolar, but in the economic sense it is multipolar, it is multicentric. Stop. Therefore, there is really no point in only emphasizing the unipolar nature of the world. Stop. There are so many economic power centers in the world. Stop. India is not an economic power center, but India has an importance which cannot be ignored by any economic power center, and that came out loud and clear in my visit to Germany. Stanza. I am happy about it because it is not simply what we are going to get from Germany tomorrow that we discussed about. Stop. It is something much more. Where does India stand in the new setup of Europe? Question mark. Over.